Hi, this is Brad Davis. This is Intermediate Guitar Lesson 9. What we're going to cover this time is some extended chords and close voicings so they're easier to play, so you're not all stretched out all over the neck trying to play these. But for instance, you can get into wide voicings where you're spread all over the neck, such as a chord like this. But we're going to start right off with close voicings, and we're going to stay in the key of A. And this is an A major 7. Okay, you're going to put your index finger on the fifth fret, 6th string, the A. Then you're going to come over with your middle finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret, the E there. Then you're going to come over and you're going to put your ring finger down on the 6th fret, 4th string. And then we're going to go to the 3rd string and put your little finger on the 6th fret on the 3rd string. So this is your A major 7. Now there's plenty of voicings, but I'm showing you this in this voicing for a particular reason. There's A major 7s all over the place. But anyway, this is an A major 7. Now we're going to go to an A6, and you're going to put your middle finger on the 6th string, 5th fret, and you're going to play the 4th fret, 4th string with your index finger. Then you're going to come and put, make sure I've got this right here. You're going to put your 3rd finger, your ring finger, on the B string on the 5th fret, which is the E, and then you're going to put your other finger, your little finger, on the 6th fret, 3rd string. So you have, that's A6. It's the middle finger, 6th string, 5th fret, 4th string, 4th fret, index finger, ring finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret, and your pinky finger on the 6th fret, 3rd string. A6, so you're going to have A major 7, A6, and the other strings are muted. So you're going to kind of let this middle finger hang over on the 5th, and you're not going to worry about striking the 1st string. Then we're going to go to an A9, 5th string, 4th fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret, ring finger, 5th fret of the 4th string, and on the 2nd string, your pinky finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret. There's your 9. It's an A9. So you have A major 7, A6, A9, and now we're going to go to a G13. I mean A13. You're going to make 1st finger, 5th fret, 6th string, 4th string, 5th fret, index finger. Then you're going to come up to the 6th fret, 3rd string, and then you're going to come up to the 7th with on the 2nd string with your pinky finger. Now, a version I like to do with it is go ahead and lay my pinky completely over that, and it actually is an A13 with a 9th on top of it. There's your regular A13, but I like it gives it a little better sound in my opinion, so it's really an A13 with a 9 on top. So we have A major 7, A6, A9, A13. Now we're going to come up, and already know this form of the 9th chord. Okay, this is an E9 13th. Just take your pinky to make this a 13th. A 13th chord, all you've got to do is bring this pinky up to the 9th fret and hit the first string. And then slide down 2 frets, 1, 2, and there's your D9. So actually this chord progression will go A major 7, excuse me, A6, A9, A13, E13, D13 to the major 7. So and you don't have to play that 13, but you can actually play it and let it off to the 9, come down, and this will go with the A major scale I showed you. You can hit your, come over your 6, go to your 9, to the 13, to the E13. You can even walk that down. So the A major scale will go with that progression very easily. And I want you to start thinking of these notes as in your A scale: A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, as degrees in numbers. So it would be your A is 1, B's 2, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is the octave. So that's an A. So A is either 1 or 8 when you're playing that A major scale. And the 9 is going to be the next step straight up the scale, which is a B. So actually a 9 is a B or a 2, because 8 is 1 or 8, the octave. 1, 8, or 1, and then you're moving up from there. But just like I said, on your 13th chord, well, you're playing that, but you can add the 9th, which is the B, which is on the 1st fret at the 7th, on the 1st string at the 7th fret. And if you'll lay your finger down on those 2 strings there, you have the A13 with the 9 on top. It just gives it a little brighter sound. And your A major will work with that, because you need to start thinking of them in numbers, because as we get more advanced, the next scale I'm going to show you is all these modes and everything are alterations off the major scale. So when I say, well, what you're playing A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, you know that A is 1. So I'm going to give you a quick indication of how that's going to work. Is like a classical minor scale or a jazz minor scale. You take the same A major scale and you flat the 3rd. So in the key of A, the 3rd is C sharp. So we go A, B. Now there's your normal, your C sharp. You flat that, go to a C. 1, 2, flat 3rd. The rest of the scale's all the same. Same way when you move up over the octave. When you get to the C sharp, it's not a C sharp. You flat the 3rd. A, B, C sharp, flat the 3rd, and that's a classical minor or a jazz minor scale. So until next time, guys, practice. And these chords are a little more difficult to get, but they're close voicings. They're almost as hard to explain as they are hard to learn. And and I like to pluck them. It's a little bit easier to get a clearer sound out of them. So until next time, thanks.